Let's unbox the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the 1TB in the shade Natural. Currently filming on the 12 Pro Max. If you guys are interested, all of my videos are going to be shot on the new 15 Pro. I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle. Oh my God. Look at this in all of its glory. I think we should try to set it up together because I don't see people doing that. I'm just playing. Oh, God damn it. So they do give us a cord. Oh my God, this does not even fit in the thing that I already have. Now I have to buy a box. Cause this is a charger I have. I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, it works, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. So I do have a case. It's coming. It's nice. In person, it's definitely giving like gray. My camera. Okay, let's turn it on. You can see it first. You didn't charge it? Oh, thank you. Imagine Apple sends non-charged phones. Let's set this beach up. Hold on. Okay, and they actually sent it pretty charged. Oh, I love that. Okay, what do I do? It's been so long. Swipe up. Okay. Now put the phone to the phone. My heart is beating because when I put the phone up to the screen, it literally set up my phone for me. It literally just set up my phone. You're kidding. What? Okay, hold on. It literally just set my iPhone up. I was like, look at y'all, look at my phone, and then it set this shit up. It says real quick, it's telling me to put this device to this device. So I'm gonna be right back. I don't know why everybody and their mama is trying to call me right now, but software update. Update your software now if you want to transfer your data directly from another iPhone. Seriously. Let me do all this stuff. Oh, okay. Face ID. Okay, hold on. Face ID looks different too. Position your, they got my whole face. It's like a camera. Look it. You're fucking kidding. Okay, okay. Move iPhone a little lower. Oh God, this is fucking cool. It's so different. Use Face ID with a mask? Shut up. Okay. Password. Are you kidding me? Why is it so long? Boop. What was my password? It's asking me if I want to transfer my data. I want to transfer it from an iPhone because I don't remember any of my passwords. Okay, it's signing me in. It literally took like 9 million hours. All I want to do is check out the phone. It's definitely lightweight for anybody wanting to know. It's definitely lighter. It's a little smaller than my 12 Pro Max, which is crazy, but it's signing me in. Make this your new iPhone. My new phone officially works and the phone that I'm currently on officially doesn't work anymore. Okay. Not now. I don't want to do anything now. Just want to get to the welcome to the iPhone. What? To get stuff. This is all of my shit. Let's see if TikTok is here. How don't we have those apps? How don't we have the apps that I use? What the fuck? Okay, we're all logged in. All of my passwords saved to the keychain. Thank the Lord. So everything's good. I'm excited. Hold on, let me try one more time. I'm gonna hop out of this because I'm back on TikTok on this phone now. Briefly show you guys what it looks like on the new iPhone 15 Pro Max with TikTok in case you guys are buying this phone to make TikTok videos. I got you. So see you guys in the next part where I show you guys the camera.